Hi everyone, this is Brad. Hi, this is Brad McHugh, and I wanted to talk briefly today about a program. This one is on Audacity, and I'm doing a little bit of basic audio editing. Now, I do not have the rights necessarily to this music. This was a recording I got off of archive.org, and it's the Appalachian Ensemble. This is a recording that was probably made on tape of a song Wayfaring Stranger. Went ahead and pulled it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply a couple filters to see if I can clean this up. I want to press Control A. And what I want to do is I want to normalize the noise. First of all, let's go ahead and just play it out a little bit just to give you a sense of what I'm at. I don't know if you can actually hear what I'm hearing, but it's pretty dim and not that great. It's generally just just poor 90s quality. I went ahead and pause that. So what I wanted to do is I'm going to normalize it. Click under the effects, and I'm going to normalize everything just to get everything smoothed out. Okay. Okay. Let's see if that worked as it should. Now, to undo an effect, it's going to say remove special. Cannot undo an effect. Someone press the space bar. Pause this. And I'm going to undo normalization. I'm going to go ahead and say I want to, let's say, normalize. Here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and normalize everything out. Give that a listen. All right, let's see if that does what I'm looking for. And actually, I can hear everything coming through much more clearly and distinctly. And I'm not going to say it's going to sound like a modern CD quality recording, but it's a lot closer to what the original artist was going to intend. You run into this a lot when you're doing archival work, or if you're trying to restore something. Now, I have fooled around with this program some and trying to restore from old recordings, but and they have effects and filters and things you can look for, the click removal. And sometimes you have to run them several times just to clean them up. Like this one, for example, I feel like it could use some amplification. I'm going to run this up across the sample. Let's say I want to go up. Let's go 6. And I want to go to the peak of 10. Okay. Allow that. And peak of 10. There we go. Just get a little more boost across the board. I don't think that's going to help. All right, just give you a basic idea, and there are tons of other effects, but I ended up giving it this, and this is all free, by the way. You don't have to spend a bunch of extra. Some people have actually used this to create entire albums and tracks, so it's actually quite an interesting system. So just want to kind of show that off to you and give you an idea of what you can do. So this was a good introduction to Audacity, and hopefully a little more time if you want to play with it. It's a pretty cool little introduction. It's a really awesome audio editing tool. Peace out.